Let's check this out. We've got the sound of animals fighting, Act 3, Modulate back to the Tonic, requested by Jacob. Let's give it a listen. Oh, there was a single last Friday. Oh, I'm behind then. I need to go listen.
There's a million ways out of this city. I don't know harmonies. His way was to pursue birds, food in the mouth suitable for humans, and snatch it from them.
There's a lot happening.
Follow and snatch it back. And would all go chasing each other gaily for miles.
These two very distinct vocals.
Of goodwill. Save him, they cried, looking with horror at the cruel sea far below.
What a change of pace. Here we go. Is this? This vocalist. Sounds very similar to Anthony Green, no? Is it? I don't know. That's who I'm immediately reminded of.
Indeed, a million golden arrows were pointing out to the children, all directed by the
It is, okay, cool.
them to be sure of their land before leaving them for the night.
He's got like a very
Then unexplored patches of
distinct like enunciation. I really like it in his voice.
the roar of the beasts of prey was quite different now, and above all, he lost the certainty that you were in.
Dude, the bass in here is so nice.
He found himself alone in the darkness.
The guitar is a lot of space. Drums are just driving. Oh, I love that. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, I love the freaking length of that note. Ooh, yeah, nice and classy. Oh, that is really cool. Ooh. Everything is panned so distinctly. I feel like each instrument has its own spot in my ears. It's really different. Some of these melodies are incredible. with the climactic ending. Love that. Oh my gosh, that's so satisfying. Taking that note. I think the word in there is 4. Could be wrong. But just taking that word and just progressively like changing it into that like almost gritty like scream is so satisfying. Yeah, I really like that. There were some really catchy melodies. The way that that was like mixed was super cool. It felt like I was sitting almost like, if I'm imagining like a set, it feels like I'm sitting in the middle of it, because the way that it was like mixed, it felt like some things were like front left and right and back left and right, and it didn't just feel like left or right, like it was everywhere. That was really cool, just getting the very distinct instruments in all these different places. That was a really sort of different like listening experience compared to most songs. But yeah, that was grooving. I really like that. Really like that. Nice surprise that that was Anthony there, because gosh, it sounds so familiar, and these people are like, they're all in so many different bands, so it's hard for me to keep them straight.
What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys, so I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much, and I will see you on the next one.